Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. I've been hearing so much recently about Shishito peppers. It's a Japanese pepper. They're kind of finger-sized. They're kind of mild and sweet. But here's what made me buy them at the grocery store. See that little thing right there? It says 1 in 10 is hot. So I had to buy them because it's like, oh wow, I want to get the hot one, kind of like getting the prize in the Cracker Jack box. So here's what I ended up doing with Shishito peppers. The grill is heated up, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my flank steak on the grill. I love flank steak. I think it has the greatest flavor, but it can be a tough meat, so I always marinate it. This has been marinating for a couple of hours, and I'll tell you what the marinade is. It's very simple. It is 2/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and about 8 cloves of garlic that I minced. And when you're marinating it, turn it over a couple of times. So I'm going to get that started. At the same time, roast about a 1/2 pound of shishito peppers. I just love saying the word shishito. I don't know, there's something about it. And here's what's funny. In Japanese, shishito means lion. And they say that the head of the pepper looks like a lion's head. Well, to me it looks like a harbor seal, but whatever. So I'm going to put those on to roast, and we want to blister them. Oh, these are blackening nicely. Flip them over there. Time to flip the steak. These are almost done, so we'll just give those another minute. And the steak will take about another 10 minutes. And now is a good time to cook my mushrooms. So I have a 1/2 pound of white mushrooms and a little bit of olive oil. Just want to cook those up. Want to season them with a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Then I want to add a little bit of Marsala wine. I love Marsala wine with mushrooms. It's just a great marriage. I'm going to pour in about 1/4 of a cup. Let the mushrooms cook till they're nice and tender. Then I step over here to my shishito peppers. Look at that. They're all wrinkly, they're blackened. That's exactly what you want. So now I'm going to make my shishito butter. Now I'm just going to chop these up. I have 5 tablespoons of softened butter. I'm going to add all these peppers. My steak is done. So I want to put it in that pan and let it rest for about 10 minutes so the juices don't run out when I try and cut it. Now I'm going to smother this steak with my shishito butter. Then you slice it in very thin slices on a diagonal. And now I top it off with my Marsala mushrooms. I shall steal a bite. Let me get a mushroom. What a great combination. Love the shishito butter. The Marsala mushrooms are a perfect marriage. I would say perhaps you might want to try this.